Made me stop playing Monster Hunter just so I can get a pack on the pool.
Well, I didn't know it was on the porch, and I'd started my stream, so I'm giving me shit because I made him go get the packages, which apparently were on the porch. I didn't realize they were on the porch. I just saw the thing that the package had been delivered, so I was like, well, shit.
Yeah, that's right. I was getting I was killing the same monster over and over to get materials. So
Baby, I know you're so picked on, huh? All right, I'll put these over here. Got 2 of these. I'm gonna have to get my crappy ironing board out. Don't mind my very old ironing board, okay? Okay. Like so old, it doesn't want to connect. Come on. Nope. There it went. Come on. There it goes. Now let's see if this will even reach. Does. Barely. Avoid it. Don't do it. Don't do it, you little shit. Frig is like, yay, a cord to chase. Nope. Frig. Don't do that. It's going to be hot. All right. Yeah, these both definitely need to be ironed. I see my chair's open for you. Could you go sit in that instead? Thank you. There you go. Yeah, sit there where everybody can see you. There you go.